How would you like to have your own spa, hot tub, or swim spa without paying those crazy high prices that a contractor or retail outlet would charge you? Maybe you don't want to pay for a bunch of extra amenities you don't need. Well, you've come to the right place. At Custom Built Spas, I'll take you by the hand and show you exactly how to build your own spa, hot tub, or swim spa. Plus, I'll show you how to save thousands of dollars and get exactly what you want without spending money on a bunch of extras you don't need. I coach you through your project from start to finish for free, and I help you select all the right equipment that you'll need. For 20 years now, I've been helping customers around the world build their own spas and hot tubs. Let me help you build your project, one that you can be proud of and enjoy for a lifetime. Visit the rest of my web pages now, get my information package loaded with how-to books and videos, and I'll help you get started right away. Thanks for stopping by.